You've probably seen hundreds of AI tools claiming to change your business overnight. But the truth? Most of them waste your time. I'm Donna from AI Wealth Curve, and today we're looking at 7 enterprise-grade AI tools that actually drive measurable growth for founders and solopreneurs. Every one of these tools has been personally tested by our team. No hype, no affiliate noise, just tools that deliver real ROI. ClickUp AI. If your team drowns in task management, ClickUp AI is your silent project assistant. It summarizes meetings, rewrites briefs, and predicts task dependencies. One founder told us it saved 5 hours a week just in internal communication. Motion AI. Motion takes your calendar chaos and auto-schedules everything based on priorities and energy levels. It's like having a virtual COO keeping your day optimized. No more 3 a.m. what did I miss moments. Akkio turns your business data into live predictive models. No data science degree required. You can forecast leads, spot churn risks, or track campaign ROI visually in minutes. Imagine giving your Excel sheets superpowers. That's Akkio. These are just 7 of over 150 enterprise-grade tools we've personally vetted at AI Wealth Curve. No subscriptions, no paywalls, just honest, expert-tested tools that help you grow smarter, not louder. Visit AIWealthCurve.com for instant, free access. Cut through the AI noise. Build your business with clarity and confidence.